Alright, so here is my fancy new Acura RLX Sport Hybrid, fresh off the truck from Cleveland, Ohio. If any of you know about Acura RLXs, you know that the vehicles do not hold their value at all. I looked at a certified used 2018 that was in the mid-40s, and with a certified car, you can actually lease it through Acura. So I checked to see what the residual would be after 3 years on an 18. And it was $18,300. So that's saying after 5 years of that car, from $65K, it's going to be down to $18,000. Pretty scary. But when I was looking for a car, I tried to look outside of my Honda bubble. Just couldn't do it. Everything I wanted, this car had. Ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, head-up display. I wanted a dual clutch with some power behind it and all-wheel drive, and this car really kept checking off the check boxes. So, you know, I'm glad that I found it. The video is kind of going to go through some of the before and after when it first got here to, I guess, as it sits today, and you can see the transformation. It wasn't really dirty when it got here, but it definitely needed some fine-tuning. So finished up the interior here, and you can see it looks brand new, which is great. Moving on to the outside, there were just little things that were wrong with the car, like it was missing window visor clips. So ordered a few of those to put in there, and they're kind of straightforward, but you got to have a special knack to actually pushing them in, which I didn't realize because I haven't had them before. I don't think that anyone ever replaced the wiper blades on this car. So that was another upgrade that the car needed. Living in Portland, you never know when a crazy rain shower is going to hit, and you're going to need something to be able to see. So after the clay bar on the outside with the nano skin, I moved on to finishing up the interior, which was pretty much done, but there was a scratch here on the lower bezel I wanted to get cleaned up pretty well, so it looked like brand new. So that's all finished up. I don't know how a scratch got on the speaker cover, but an easy fix to that is just a Sharpie. So after all this, moved on to the exterior, which, as you can see, was pretty rough. It was really scratched up, which is surprising because the car didn't have that many miles on it. So broke out the flex here, finished polishing the whole car, and as you can see, the after effects are almost perfect. One of the updates that I did to the car was putting on the OEM deck lid spoiler, and to do that you have to take out all of the trunk trim pieces, which these come out with screws, taking out the linings, the seals, everything has to come out that's in the trunk, and then you drill 4 holes with the template into the trunk, pop in those plastic pieces there, and then the deck lid actually pops into those with some double-sided sticky tape as well. But with those springs that are in there, that trunk shoots right up. And yeah, this was the drive home after the car just got polished. So that rain shower happened. The last piece to everything was putting in the Apple CarPlay. I know the video's up and down, but I just wanted to show you how much actually comes out to put this thing in. In doing it, I did find that the car had someone else living in it for a while. And when I pulled the history, there was a really strange smell in 2019 that they never could figure out, and I found it. So luckily it was old. But here's the Apple CarPlay in action. It's super quick. As soon as you turn the car on, when it works, it's almost instantaneous and it's flawless. The wireless is amazing. So Acura did replace my center console lid here. And here is the finished polish after another wash after the rain, but the paint really turned out amazing. You can't really see it in this video, but the sparkle that's in here, it's gorgeous. One of the best things about the RLX is the interior. It feels so good to touch. It's plush, it's soft. Sitting in there, you feel like you're sitting in a very expensive executive car. So yeah, the interior's flawless, the car is great, and I feel like I found the perfect daily commuter, all with about 30 miles to the gallon.